I was gifted this international travel power adapter, and this is one of those things I'm definitely packing on every trip now. If you've ever traveled internationally and had to deal with different outlets, this makes it so much easier. It works in over 100 countries, and instead of bringing multiple adapters, everything is built into this one compact piece. What I really like is how many devices you can charge at once. It has 2 regular outlets plus USB-A and USB-C ports, so I can charge my phone, watch, and other devices all at the same time without needing extra plugs. It's also really lightweight and doesn't take up much space in my bag, which is huge when you're trying to pack efficiently. And the sliding plug system is super simple. Just switch it depending on where you are and you're good to go. I also appreciate that it feels really solid and well made, not flimsy like some travel adapters I've tried before. Just a quick note, it doesn't convert voltage, so you'll want to make sure your devices are compatible. But for everyday travel essentials, this has been so convenient. Honestly, it's one of those travel items that just makes everything smoother, and I wouldn't want to travel without it now.